All right, we're recording now. So we're in Schoology. I'm going to start over. In the morning, she'll go to her homeroom and open it up.
Okay, so she'll click to homeroom.
Homeroom, and she wants to do this daily check. Every morning, that's how we do attendance.
Click homeroom.
Mm-hmm.
First thing, and then second will be
Daily check.
Daily check.
Every morning. So when
morning.
she
What
opens,
time is that? 8:40?
Yes, at 8:40. So then tomorrow's the 9th. She'll do that one and turn it in. Now, if you look up here at the top, see it opened its own window. It says daily attendance.
Okay.
She's there.
So
Or you want to go back to your homeroom. Look, it has its own button right there. So there she is. And when she's finished, she can actually even close that window.
So how does she go back to the homeroom? Just where it says homeroom?
Right. There are two different ways. She can go right here. See that little breadcrumb, how small?
Okay, the breadcrumb. Okay.
Yep. After she does her daily check, she can go back to her homeroom right there. All right.
You put breadcrumbs so I can remember that.
The little blue breadcrumbs. They're tiny, tiny.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So then she's done her daily check and she's going to want to go into Zoom. Now we go to a different Zoom like tomorrow. Here's the Speak of the Week. Have you opened that yet?
No, I don't even think my baby knows any of that.
That's okay. You open up that. So those two big glasses of lemonade give you all your information.
I did take a picture of that.
So look what's nice about this. We're there. So tomorrow morning, if you open this up, it's Wednesday. She can click on Rodriguez's Zoom right from here. That's a link.
But will she be the first teacher tomorrow morning?
Yes. Yep. She's going to see her first tomorrow morning.
Oh, okay. So okay, it's gonna switch. It's gonna switch then.
Right. So let's look at tomorrow. And if you open, let's go back. You see my little breadcrumbs right here? Mm-hmm. I want to go back and look at my homeroom. There's my lemonade stand. I'm clicking on the breadcrumbs. I'm back. Daily check. Then you can come over here to Peak of the Week. So you want your two big glasses of lemonade in the morning.
Okay.
You can open that up. It's Wednesday. Ooh, I gotta go see Mrs. Rodriguez first. You can click on it here.
Okay.
So when she clicks on that, it's gonna take her to Zoom, and you just sign in.
Okay.
All right, and I think Miss Rodriguez's password is Wildcats.
Wildcats.
Yes. Wildcats. Okay. So look, tomorrow she's going to stay in Rodriguez. Okay. Mm-hmm. Then we're going to take this big break. Tomorrow she can look at art. Okay. And then she'll come to me in the afternoon.
So how does she get to art?
All right, let's take a look at that. Now we're going to do something fun now. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. And I'm going to have you show me what you're looking at. I just said that you can share. There's a big green button at the bottom of your window that says share screen. You see down at the bottom? Share screen.
Share screen.
Very bottom. On your Zoom.
No, I don't see a share button.
Take your finger on the mouse and hover very carefully at the bottom where you can see, like where you can show reactions.
I just see like the the reactions. Okay.
Right next to it, there's a share screen button.
I see the share. Okay.
Now you're going to click on that, and I'm going to get to see what you're looking at.
Okay.
Isn't that cool?
Yes. Okay. So that button, when would she use it?
The share screen?
Mm-hmm.
Probably not very often. That I just use that when I want to see what's going on the computer at home. Okay. And that might be if we're doing a tutorial, but not very often. That's just for you and I because I want to kind of see what you're doing.
Okay.
And that way I can talk you through it, and you'll actually be able to touch and click the buttons. So did you find that share screen?
Did I what?
Did you click on share screen?
Share screen. It says desktop or application.
Do desktop.
Okay. There we go. Zoom wants to share their contents of your screen. Choose what you'd like to share. Okay.
You get to pick what you want to show me. So
Um,
do you see a bunch of boxes now?
I do.
Pick one of those boxes. The one that you see the zoom on would be good.
Okay. I clicked it once.
Yep. And then I think you might have to tell it okay.
You mean share?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm like, I don't see an okay button.
There we go. Now I can see what you're looking at.
Oh, okay.
All right. So let's go to your home Schoology. It's up on the top left.
Home school. Okay, I see. Okay, your lemonade stand.
Lemonade stand. And scroll up so we can see the top of that. That's your writing class. But you can still get to Zoom there.
Okay, so I'm going up and it's saying.
Oh, let's go the other way. Let's go see if we can find those breadcrumbs.
Okay.
Up at the top. Oh, no breadcrumbs. So what I want you to do in white, in the red bar, do you see where it says courses?
Yes.
You can go there or course dashboard. Click on either of those. Yep, perfect.
Okay, let me write that down.
So here are all of Jenny's courses.
So courses for, what was the other word? Course
Dashboard.
dashboard.
So now you see all of her classes. You see my homeroom, you see math and science.
Okay.
Reading, writing, social studies, but there's her music, art, and PE.
Okay, and then so how is she, because for my other daughter, like, sorry to mention that, but she clicked it and they were asking for her for a Zoom and for the password, and so they never gave her one. So
that's interesting. Which class did you click on today?
my daughter tried to do, the fourth grader tried to do PE, and then she did art, but none of them worked for her.
Well, let's try Jenny's. Let's just go in and take a look.
Okay. Let's do PE for her.
Let's do PE because I think that's what we're doing tomorrow, right? Let's see what happens.
I have to look at her schedule. Okay, so I'm clicking. Okay, and it's just a little video, which the girls did see the video.
Okay, awesome. Yeah.
But then after that, what do you
do? There's week 1. Let's click on that folder.
Okay.
So that's a new video, right? And then scroll.
I'm not sure if the girls seen that one, but I know they saw a video today.
Now, do you see that blue folder there?
I see the blue folder.
Let's click on that and see what's inside there.
Okay, click blue folder. Okay. It says below are the PE activities for this week. There may be more activities than you can fit in your class. Don't worry, you can always come back and explore at another time or two. If something does not work, move on to the next activity. If you need more time, more activities, feel free. Okay.
So there is all her, those are all little lessons and activities for her to do. Those are all fun PE things.
Oh, okay.
Now, so when it's PE time, that's where you'll be. But now how do you get back? Let's go up to the top.
Okay. Yeah, like PE's over now. Yep. So what do we do? Okay.
PE's over now. What do we do?
So back to.
So that breadcrumb will take you back to PE if you need to see the beginning. Think about where do you go to see all of her courses?
Okay, courses. We're gonna go to courses.
Perfect.
Yeah, because I can't find the other one where it said course.
Right. And there you are.
Okay.
So now you can go, if you're not sure where she's going, let's go back to that homeroom where that lemonade stand is. The big lemon. That's where you'll get everything you need.
The homeroom, right?
Homeroom.
Oh,
So PE is over.
okay.
And you think, oh my goodness, I don't know where to, I don't know what we do after PE. What do we do?
Okay, and so I see a little box beside Zoom where it says PE Art and Music. So do we never click that?
You can click on it. That's your schedule. So if you click on it,
Can I
it'll
click
show you what day.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead and click on it. Let's see what it looks like.
Okay. Oh, okay.
So that's your schedule. On Wednesdays, you'll always have art. Thursdays, always PE. Friday, music. Tuesday, health. Now, Mondays, we do a little bit of both. On week 1, that's this week, we're going to have health and then art. And then next week, week 2, on Monday only, she's going to have PE and music.
Let's see, edit. Sorry, I'm trying to. Okay. Okay, so then how do we go back? Okay, let's go.
Yeah, so let's go back. You can close out. Do you see up at the top the green plus? It says Coachman. Way up at the top. It's actually behind your Zoom buttons. You might need to drag those out of the way.
Do I put stop share or
no? Don't stop share. Put it in the green section where it's green and try to see if you can move it away from the top so you can see what's going on. See where it's green? It says ID number way up top.
Yes,
yeah, see if you can click and drag that down and move it away. Oh, no.
Nope.
Okay, never mind. So let's try something else. Let's go back into that second grade homeroom button that you see way at the top with the blue S with the circle.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now.
We're back. Okay.
Right, so you're back at the lemonade stand. All right. So let's say you're done with PE, you're done with art, all of that. Now you don't know what to do. We're like, what do we do next? Where would you look? Where's your big drink that you take so you can see the whole week?
At the, hold on. Okay, so where's my big drink?
Yep.
The daily, let's see.
Try your peak. There you go. Try that.
Peak of the week.
Peak of the week.
Oh, private access. What? The private setting on this page you are trying to visit do not allow your access.
Well, we know we can see it. Let's try that refresh button. Up in the top left, there's a circle with an arrow right next to the little house. Way up high on the upper left. You're getting closer. There's a circle with an arrow down a little lower. It's the refresh button. Keep going left, a little more, keep going, a little more. Now go down and there, oh, almost there, up a little bit, there's a circle. There we go. Click that button. That's your refresh button. When Schoology's not doing what you want it to do, just click that again.
Okay, refresh.
Well, that's not right. Try it one more time, that refresh button. Well, or let's return home at the bottom. Let's see.
Is that, would I be going to?
Yeah, where it says private access, it says return home. I'm not sure what's going on. This is just
okay. So just return home?
Yeah, let's see what that does. I've never seen this before because I know that you. All right.
Okay.
We're home.
It got us back to at the beginning.
Okay, that's all right. Let's go up to the very top to our courses.
Okay. So course dashboard or?
Either or. Both of those will show you your classes.
Okay.
Let's try your homeroom. The big lemon. Let's try that peak of the week again.
Okay. Oh, no, I did it again.
Oh, well, that's a mess.
Mm-hmm.
Here, I'm going to share mine. Let me, if you'll click your red stop share button.
Okay, there's a button at the bottom where it says stop.
Yes, that'll work.
Okay. Okay.
All right, now I'm going to share mine. Maybe, here's my peak of the week. Let me go into, can you give me just a moment? I'm going to make sure that you have access. I don't know why it says private. This you don't have to do. This is me just working on the backside to make sure that it's, don't just close your eyes.
Okay.
This you don't have to do.
Sorry, the glare of the sun was like in my eyes.
I know. Okay. I'm just making sure that it's shared with everybody so that. Thank you for, so anyone should be able to view it.
Thank you, because I know you guys have had so much and then you still working at, you know what I mean? You want to go home.
Well, I know it's going to be good though. And I'm sorry, once we get it all figured out, it's going to be pretty amazing. Well, I'm not sure why it's not working. You have access to it, but let's just revisit that. So let's say you don't know what you're doing. You've come back to your lemonade stand, right?
Okay.
Let's go back to the lemonade stand. Here's my crumb right there. So you're like, oh, art's over. Jenny, let's take a little break. And then, I don't know where to go next.
Mm-hmm.
Go back to your lemonade stand and open up your peak at the week or your schedule. Okay. Hopefully it'll open for you. But then that's when you can see it's Wednesday. We went to art. It's 2:05. Where do I go now? Oh, now I'm going to go to Coachman's Zoom. Mm-hmm. So you can actually click it from right here.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Especially for the kids, so they don't have to type it up again. And
right. They'll only have to put in the word lemon for me and Wildcats for Rodriguez for the password, and they'll learn it. But say we're here and you want to go back, there's my crumb to go back.
Okay. That is, she is gonna love the crumbs.
The breadcrumbs. Tell you, like,
I'm already in love with them. She's like, gonna be
like Little Red Riding Hood. Yeah. So I'm hoping, please try it again tonight. I'm hoping this link will work. I'm not sure why it's not working because it was earlier. So these are your two main places you can go. Okay. So this will show you again when you open that. And there you can go to the day. So tomorrow morning, you can click on Rodriguez Zoom and you won't have to, you'll just stay logged in until lunchtime with her. You only have to log into Zoom twice tomorrow.
Twice tomorrow, okay.
Once for Rodriguez, once for me. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is a little bit different. And the reason we're doing this is we're going to do tutorials once we get our schedules settled in. So we want to see all the kids in the morning to help them out if they need extra help. You know, does that make sense? But tomorrow will be much easier. You only have to go to Rodriguez in the morning and then come over to me. Okay?
Okay. Thank you so much, Ms. Coach.
You are so welcome. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to, in the video, and I'm actually going to send it to you and we'll get to see each other. You'll get to watch through it again, just if you want to see what it looks like. Okay? As we go through, let me stop recording. And